Top 5 Ways to Earn Passive Income with NFTs. The phenomenal expansion of the NFT market over the course of the preceding 18 months has resulted in the emergence of a plethora of intriguing investment opportunities. The incorporation of digital assets into investment portfolios is becoming an increasingly common practice, and it is anticipated that this trend will carry on into the ensuing years. Welcome to this video. This video will walk you through how to earn money with non-fungible tokens in great detail, highlighting the most profitable techniques before showing you which trading platforms are the best for investing in non-fungible tokens today, all from the convenience of your own home. Please note that this is not an investment advice video, but rather an educational video. Let's get the celebration started off right. Strategies for investing in NFTs that are successful. If you are interested in making money with NFTs, it is imperative that you have a solid understanding of the techniques that have the highest probability of being successful. How to make money off of NFTs in excruciating detail. When investigating the several ways to obtain NFTs, you should pay special attention to the strategy that you intend to use to earn money in the future. Because of the expansion of the sector surrounding NFTs, there are many different methods to benefit from them, either actively or passively, depending on your preference. As a result of the high level of competition in the NFT industry, a great number of projects are currently offering the most generous NFT giveaways in an effort to entice new users to interact with a diverse range of NFT collections. Let's get started and have a look at the most successful ways to generate money with NFT tokens by going over the following strategies. Number 1. Start making investments in promising new NFTs as soon as possible. One of the simplest and most straightforward methods to make money off of an NFT is to make early investments in possible new collections before their values spike. A significant number of today's most valuable non-fungible tokens, NFTs, were offered for sale at a reduced cost when they were first brought to market, but their prices have since skyrocketed in the weeks and months since their introduction. A fantastic illustration of this can be seen in CryptoPunks, which in 2017 could be purchased for anywhere between $1 and $34. When the NFT fever hit in 2021, these punks became extremely expensive as a result of their space-first status, which caused their prices to skyrocket. As a direct consequence of this, famous persons and celebrities have purchased these non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with one punk selling for an astounding $24 million. Number 2. Non-football team play to earn, NFT P2B games. Playing games that allow you to earn NFT tokens through gameplay is an additional option to consider if you are interested in learning how to make money with NFT tokens. Players now have the opportunity to earn prizes simply by performing well in a significant portion of the NFT games that are the most popular. These incentives are typically handed out in the native cryptocurrency of the platform, which can either be utilized within the game itself or traded in for real-world currency. The use of NFT games as a means to generate income has recently grown widespread, and a plethora of new platforms have emerged recently that guarantee a consistent flow of revenue. Axie Infinity is one of the most popular games since it enables users to fight other gamers for the chance to win rewards. In addition, considering that the vast majority of important in-game products are organized as NFTs, the digital cash that is won as a reward can be reinvested into better things, which in turn results in increased functionality. To receive indirect exposure to the P2E space, one can obtain it by purchasing Axie Infinity tokens, also known as AXS, on cryptocurrency exchanges. After the success of Axie Infinity, a number of new initiatives are beginning to gather traction, including Silks, The Sandbox, and Decentraland amongst others. These platforms will unquestionably become more frequently used as Bitcoin popularity increases, which demonstrates that this trend won't be disappearing anytime in the near future. Number 3. Storage for NFT. If you are looking for ways to generate money with an NFT, one of the most effective strategies is to invest in HODL, which stands for Hold On to Hold. The term hold on for dear life, HODL, was first used by retail traders in the midst of the 2021 GameStop short squeeze. HODL stands for hold on for dear life. Since that time, the phrase has come to be used to describe a strategy for financial investments in which the investor chooses not to sell their holdings under any conditions. Investors who purchase Bitcoin ought to be aware that doing so comes with both perks and cons associated with it. On the other hand, if you HODL, hold on to what you have appropriately. It can be an excellent strategy to make money with NFTs. To continue with our scenario involving CryptoPunks, investors may have made the decision to liquidate their holdings in 2017 due to the stagnant value of their punks. On the other hand, those that choose to HODL their cryptocurrency will benefit from the price increase in 2021. This strategy certainly won't work in every situation, as some NFT collections won't be able to deliver the required amount of price momentum. On the other hand, several of the projects that are on our NFT calendar are already garnering momentum on social media, which is an indication that there may be some wonderful investment opportunities in the weeks and months ahead. Number 4. Flipping NFTs. The term flipping refers to one method of making money with NFTs. According to Fortune.com, flipping refers to the process of buying an asset at a cheap price and then selling it at a higher price in order to make a profit. The HODL method, as was discussed above, is an example of a long-term investing plan, whereas flipping is typically a short-term strategy. This is one of the key differences between flipping and other investment strategies. It is difficult to find the best NFT for producing money and then selling it for a profit, especially when taking into consideration the level of competition that currently exists in the sector. However, it is not impossible, and while investigating how to flip non-fiat currencies for a profit, there are a number of considerations to take into account. You should place a high focus on the token's utility because it will be one of the primary considerations for other investors when deciding whether or not to buy it. In addition to the efforts of the development team to push the project forward, community support should be considered. Last but not least, it is essential to give careful consideration to the NFT visual attractiveness because the vast majority of investors will want to display their digital artwork as their profile picture on social media or through a digital art gallery. Number 5. Consider developing your own NFTs. People who want to learn how to create money with NFTs frequently turn to the practice of making their own NFTs as a learning tool. The act of adding a digital asset, such as a piece of digital artwork or digital music, to a blockchain is referred to as minting. You will be able to profit from your hard work once the asset has been added to the blockchain and can be traded on the most reputable NFT exchanges after it has been published. The process of minting NFTs is fairly easy to understand, and large marketplaces like NFT Launchpad make it simple for beginners to get started. As a result of the brisk expansion of the NFT market, artists are engaged in a cutthroat competition, and new collections are being introduced on a daily basis. Therefore, if you want to pursue this method, you need to make sure that your product stands out from the rest of the competition. After developing your very own NFT and adding it to the blockchain, all that is left to do is determine whether or not anyone is interested in purchasing it. This is where marketing comes into play because the majority of collections will not be exposed to prospective investors until they have received an acceptable amount of publicity. When you sell your NFT, you will receive the money, which you will be able to withdraw to your cryptocurrency wallet after deducting the fee charged by the marketplace. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you again soon. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video so that we can bring in more information for you.